the supply chain around energy. We are able to take the sulfur content of oil coming out of the ground from the salt surface, analyze the sulfur content, analyze the refinery capacity of a company, analyze the storage facility, storage capacity of a company, analyze the ships at sea, the vessels on the water and their hull structure, analyze the spot market prices, and optimize where that oil is routed for refining, storage, transportation, and end markets to optimize profitability and delivery to the consumer. This is one example of using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data and cloud computing to deliver optimization that has never been achievable until very recently. Now, I mentioned that Aviva is doing well. Here is some details on our most recent financial results. This is on the period through till September 30th of 2019. So this is in the 6 months. You'll see in this period, year over year, our revenue grew 16.5%. Our adjusted EBIT, which is profitability, grew 66%, and our earnings per share grew at 65%. These are good business results. We are getting better at operating as a business, and we are getting better every day at serving our customers. And these numbers reflect that. So let's come back a little bit. This is material I covered this morning. I will go quickly through it. This idea of customer preferences, globalization, sustainability, urbanization. These are all areas where our customers are working through these challenges. And then the technology drivers that help you address those end market challenges, including artificial intelligence, big data, and 1D, 2D, 3D, and virtual reality. So this is our business around engineering, software to help you design manufacturing facilities, software to help you operate those manufacturing facilities, and software to help you maintain those manufacturing facilities. This is our business. We're very good at what we do. And what that means is, for our customers, when they design a facility, when they use Aviva, they have less risk in the design of that facility and more certainty that that facility will operate efficiently and safely. And they're able to reduce the operational cost of that facility. Even if it wasn't designed using our software, we can bring about operational improvement into that facility. This is some customers that I showed this morning. Amari. Sorry, Rose? No, okay. Amari, a food and bev producer, very effective in terms of delivery of safe food efficiently. They're using our manufacturing execution system to bring the data from multiple plants together into one operational view of that system. Another example is NPCC, another great customer of us. They do the manufacturing of this design of these facilities. Think of that as the EPC. So they're constructing energy facilities for the owner-operators. And we are working to deliver with Microsoft a facility, the ability for them to more effectively manage their yards in the construction of those facilities. NWC, which is the National Water Company, which we recently put in place a system similarly to visualize the data across different water facilities across the National Water Company's footprint, allow them to see the efficiency and effectiveness of their water facilities, allow them to see that across multiple facilities, and allow them to more effectively run them. And as I understand it, NWC is also increasing its scope to take on the management of more regional water facilities. This is a local example here in Abu Dhabi is ADNOC, Abu Dhabi National Oil Company. This 50-meter wall is using Aviva's technology. We worked with ADNOC to deliver this in 8 weeks as the first phase. And it's visually stunning. It allows Abu Dhabi National Oil Company to see the operational footprint of over a dozen different operating companies. So I want to talk about two announcements today. So one is our asset performance management product line. So asset performance management is the ability to take all of the operational data about an asset, to analyze that data, and to be able to predict when something will fail before it fails. So I think about this as if you're driving your car. When you get in your car in the morning and you turn it on, and you listen, and it sounds a little different today, so therefore you think it needs to be taken into the dealership to be checked. We do that with heavy operating equipment. We do that with compressors, with gas turbines, with distillation columns. Any piece of equipment that sits inside a manufacturing facility, we take the data of that piece of equipment, sometimes years worth of data, we analyze it, and we can predict how that piece of equipment will perform in the future, and we can predict when it will fail before it fails. And we're very good at that. In the last 12 months, we have invested heavily, and we have a new generation of our product line, asset performance product line. We believe we are #1 in the market in asset performance management. I mentioned before our revenue is about $1 billion. 14% of our revenue is from asset performance management, 14%. So one announcement is around asset performance management. And then the other announcement, which will be tomorrow, we'll talk about some of the work we have done around the survey around how different countries are adopting digital technology and the priority they place on some of the initiatives that we've talked about here, and we can share that in more detail with you. Okay?
Thank you, Craig. We can now take some